Hello everyone, I'm mapapa-nakanamnam of wanderm0mma and welcome back to my channel. Nandito na naman po tayo for another cooking session. And today, ang gagawin natin or ang lulutuin natin ay ang Alaska Creamy Chicken Curry using the new Alaska Creamy Chicken Evap. So, what are we waiting for? Tara, luto na tayo. Ito ang ating mga sangkap para sa ating Alaska Creamy Chicken Curry. Isang pirasong carrot, slice in cubes. Isang medium potato, slice in cubes. Isang pirasong red bell pepper, slice. 4 cloves of garlic, chopped. And 1 piece of onion, slice. 3/4 kilo of chicken parts, 4 tablespoons of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of butter. We also need salt and pepper to taste, and 1 pack of Alaska Creamy Chicken Evap, and 200 ml of coconut milk and 1 cup of water. First is marinate the chicken in 1 tablespoon curry powder and fish sauce and then set aside. In a deep skillet, saute onion and garlic in butter using medium heat. And then add in the curry powder, the remaining curry powder, and continue sauteing until a sauce is formed. Add the chicken and cook until slightly brown and all the pieces are coated. Pour in the water and simmer for 20 minutes. Add in the carrots, potatoes, and coconut milk, and cook for 20 minutes. Lower the heat and pour in the Alaska Creamy Chicken Evap Lower the heat more and mix until combined. Season with salt and pepper or according to your desired taste. And tada! Serve with rice. Here's our Alaska Creamy Chicken Curry. Para sa ulam na nakananamnam, Alaska.